Hey guys, it's Trevor here from the amateurmaker.com. I'm just showing off my Midi controller now. Has, instead of a button, it has this 50 kilo ohm potentiometer. I've got it hooked up to FL Studio, controlling my parametric EQ. So now I can turn this potentiometer. You can watch the value of that center kind of move up and down now as I turn the potentiometer back and forth. And that gives me the ability to play around with different effects. In this case, I'd be playing around with the frequency in the center of whatever I'm playing through it. And I want to be able to hook up a slide potentiometer to my expression pedal on the final MIDI controller, and that's going to allow me to do different effect modulation in the program. I did notice when I was working with this, sometimes I can get the oh, it almost did it. Sometimes the values will kind of skip back and forth on each other, causing the number to kind of bounce. You can kind of see it happening there. And what I found out is that if you use a potentiometer with a lower rating, you may get less noise in the signal. So I started playing around. I have this 10 kilo ohm range potentiometer that I started using, just kind of troubleshoot that, and it did work a lot smoother. So play around using a lower rated potentiometer may give you a cleaner signal, at least for Arduino style projects. Anyway, this is Trevor out.